Somewhere right now, a recruiter is looking at two CVs. Same experience, same skills. One gets the call, the other doesn't. The difference is rarely talent. It's proof. We live in a world full of certificates. Most of them look impressive and prove nothing. A logo on a PDF, a course nobody can verify, a credential that quietly falls apart the moment someone actually checks. The market doesn't need more paper. It needs credentials that hold up under pressure.
Your resume says you're certified, but can anyone verify that? GIPMC credentials live in a public registry forever. Employers worldwide can confirm your skills instantly. No expired certificates. Stop hoping they believe you. Start proving what you know. Aligned with global frameworks and backed by names like NASSCOM, NSDC, and BQF, so it's recognized far beyond borders.
Your career shouldn't be limited by where you studied, how much time you had, or who you happen to know. It should be defined by what you can actually do, and the credential that proves it to the world. GIPMC, globally recognized, independently certified. Explore certifications, eligibility, and the credential registry on gipmc.org. Your next title is waiting. Go earn it.